Welcome to the Brewing a Coffee Press module. We are excited that you care about our store success and want to learn about brewing coffee presses. Now, let's begin learning these simple steps. The three major steps for brewing a coffee press are: Step 1, mix the coffee and water for steeping. Step 2, press the strainer down. And Step 3, pour and enjoy. We will now begin reviewing each step. The items needed to brew a coffee press are a French press, 8 ounces of boiling water, 4 tablespoons of freshly ground coarse coffee, a wooden spoon, a mug, and a timer set to 3 minutes. First, let's think of step 1 as combining the baking ingredients into a mixing bowl to make a cake. Before baking a cake, all the ingredients are combined together and then stirred. That is how I want you to approach step 1 of the brewing a coffee press. We are simply mixing our coffee ingredients for steeping. Step 1 involves multiple steps that are quick and simple, so do not worry. You will easily master this step. We are going to simply pour the coffee grounds into the press. Then add the boiling water and stir these contents together with a wooden stick. Then set the timer for 3 minutes so the coffee can steep. Seems like a lot, but all of these procedures are quick and simple. Step 2 involves pressing the strainer down. Once the strainer has gone off, press the coffee grounds slowly to the bottom of the press. This separates the water and coffee when pushing the strainer to the bottom of the coffee press. This allows for pouring the coffee without any grounds in a customer's cup. Step 3 consists of pouring and enjoying. Because of the different processes we learned already, coffee pairs nicely with all of our food items. Locate the coffee resource manual to see what food items pair with each coffee. Let's review the items needed for a coffee press. They are a French press, 8 ounces of boiling water, 4 tablespoons of freshly ground coarse coffee, a wooden stick, a mug, and a timer set to 3 minutes. Again, the 3 major steps are: Step 1, mix coffee and water for steeping. Step 2, press the strainer down. And Step 3, pour and enjoy. Now, let's practice. Once you have gathered your coffee press items, we will now begin going through the 3 steps of brewing a coffee press. We will use the veranda blend for our practice. Pause the video now to gather these items. Find a shift supervisor or the store manager to help you gather these items. Do you have all of these items? Let's review to make sure you have the following items: a French press, 8 ounces of boiling water, 4 tablespoons of freshly ground coarse veranda blend coffee, a wooden stir stick, a timer, and a mug. If you need to gather any of these items, please pause the video while you gather these items now. You will practice these items as I lead you through the steps. Step 1. Pour the ground coffee into the press, followed by pouring the water over the grounds and gently stirring the two together. Be careful because the water is extremely hot. Set the timer to 3 minutes and wait. It is important that the timer is set to 3 minutes because too much time will make the coffee taste too bitter, and too little time will make it taste too watery. While you wait, please locate a food item that pairs with this Veranda Blend coffee. Pause and then start this video once the timer has chimed. Step 2. When you hear the timer go off, gently press the strainer down. Step 3. Pour and enjoy. Taste the coffee by itself, and then with the food item you selected for the Veranda Blend. Notice how this food and coffee complement each other. We want our customers to notice the same. Remember, every coffee is paired with specific food items, which help bring out flavors of coffee, and in turn makes the drinking coffee more enjoyable. As we conclude, we want to review our 3 major steps for brewing a coffee press. Remember, we want to ensure the best cup of coffee for every customer. The 3 major steps for brewing a coffee press are: Step 1. Mix the coffee in water for steeping. Remember to set the timer to 3 minutes. Step 2. Press the strainer down. And Step 3. Pour and enjoy. If you have any questions or concerns, please see the shift supervisor or store manager. Now go and enjoy our coffees.